Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marissa Renee, and today I have a tasting for you from Munch Pak. This is my first time trying Munch Pak, so let's see what's inside the box. Aw, this Munch Pak was made with love just for you by Nick. Thanks, Nick. Alright. So the first one that I'm going to take out is this Bisley pizza. It's a flavored wheat snack. Now, if you've watched any of my previous videos, you would know that I have tasted Bisley before, and you would know which country that it's from. Comment below if you know what country it's from. It's not bad. It tastes like a wheat snack. So, I mean, it's not something typically that I would want to grab for if I was at the supermarket or at a little deli, but it's alright, not bad. Next thing I'm going to grab are these tomato flavored stick biscuits. Interesting. And when you open it, this is what it looks like. A little tray. It tastes okay. It doesn't really taste like tomato though. Tastes like something else. I don't know what though. But this snack is definitely from an Asian country because there is Asian writing there on the bottom if you can see it. Next one, these Kinder chocolate, milk and cocoa. So let's see what that tastes like. What country is this from? Oh, what I'm supposed to do is scan the snacks, but I didn't do that. Okay, this is cool. It comes with 4 of these bars inside, so you can share them. And this is what it looks like. Oh, and it has white in the inside. This is not bad. This is pretty good. Kinder. I would eat this. Actually, it's really good. The milk chocolate tastes very good. Again, that was Kinder chocolate. So that's a thumbs up. I like that. It says there's more flavor where the fizz is. Cherry Zotz Power Candy. This is what this looks like. And they're just little candy. So I'm gonna just taste one. It's just a hard candy with like white powder on it. Is this sour? Oh yeah, it's sour. Ooh. The sour doesn't hit you right away. It's like as you're sucking the candy, then like the sourness comes out of the candy. Oh, it's really sour, but it's good. It's a good candy though. I like this. All right, moving on to my next and last snack. I have these Pu Chow, if I'm saying that correctly. And it looks like, it says gummy and soft candy, cola flavored. It says cola, so I'm thinking this is cola flavored gum. Let's see. Would be nice if I just teared it right here instead of trying to open it from here. Okay, it's wrapped in silver paper. And it is brown and white. Oh, as soon as you put it in your mouth, it tastes like soda. It literally tastes like Coca-Cola. Okay, so it's not gum. It's more like a taffy candy with like maybe gummies in the middle of it, because it is a little chewy in the inside. But it's pretty good. So if you like the taste of Coca-Cola soda, then this would be a good candy to get for you, or get for someone else that you know. Alright guys, so that wraps up my tasting on Munch Pak. I got a mini box, and basically what it is treats from different places around the world, and you get to taste them and try them out if you normally can't get them in an area that you live in. So I like that, so I'm able to taste treats and candies from other places around the world. So it's really nice, and you can get this box monthly. You can get it as a gift for someone. So it's really something good to have if you like sweets. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My link will be below in the description. You can follow me on Twitter as well. And until next time, guys, thanks for snacking with me.